Hey, crypto enthusiasts! Are you ready to dive into the easiest way to deposit fiat on Binance? Let's get started. First things first, log into your Binance account. If you don't have one yet, no worries. Signing up is quick and easy. Next, head over to the Buy Crypto tab and select Fiat Center. This is your gateway to making deposits with your local currency. Now, under Deposit, choose Bank Card. This is the fastest and most convenient way to get your funds into Binance. Select the currency you want to deposit. Binance supports a wide range of currencies, so you're covered no matter where you are. Then select Bank Card as your payment method. It's as simple as it sounds. Enter the amount you wish to deposit. You'll immediately see the amount you'll receive after deducting any transaction fees. Transparency at its best. Finally, confirm your details and hit Submit. Your fiat money will be deposited into your Binance account in no time. And that's it! You're now ready to start trading or investing in your favorite cryptocurrencies. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more crypto tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and happy trading.